Welcome back to Guide My Work. In the last few videos, we've shown you how to set up a plant, work cell, and station. In this video, we'll be creating new parts to be added to work cells. As always, please remember the addition, editing, or removal of any item should not be done during active production hours. These actions can affect the line status and cause downtime if done during production. Within each work cell, users can create parts by either selecting the Add a Part Type button on the work cell setup page or from the Part Setup menu option. This page will display any current parts and applicable information. From this page, users can add, edit, or delete parts, add or remove parts to work cells, and add part images. The Part Setup page also includes a part filter, so users can enter in keywords to quickly find an existing part. To add a new part, first select the applicable plant from the drop-down menu at the top of the page. Then select the green plus icon on the right side of the screen, and the Add Part pop-up will appear. At this point, users will be prompted to enter in the following information: part description, and this should be unique, internal part number, and external part number, and these can be identical if applicable. You can also import a list of parts from a file, such as an Excel spreadsheet, to speed up the process for adding in multiple parts. Once a part has been set up, the following actions can be taken as needed. You can edit the part details, which will bring up the same pop-up as the Add Part option and allow you to make changes to any field. You can delete a part as long as it has not been added to a work cell. And you can add a part to a work cell. A drop-down menu of all active work cells will appear. If a work cell has already been assigned to the part, it will no longer appear in the drop-down menu, but you can assign a part to multiple work cells. To remove a work cell, select the red X icon next to the assigned work cell. It can be added back at any time. The final step you'll need to take is to add a part image. You can complete this by either dragging and dropping an image file from any folder location on your computer, or clicking on the image box to open a folder. Part images are utilized for display on the operator screen, as well as for defect collection scatter plots. Be sure to select images that are clear and high resolution. To remove or replace an image, simply hover over the current image and select Remove, or click to open a folder and select a new image. Be sure to watch the final organization setup video, How to Set Up Station Instructions, to continue setting up Guide My Work.